Sa inyo pong lahat, isang magandang hapon po ang aking pinaabot. Gusto ko po munang samantalahin yung pagkakataon na ito para po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, hindi mabubuo ang GMA Masayahin Bayanihan Eagles Club kung wala po kayong lahat na nandirito ngayon.
Sa lahat po ng mga kasama namin, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat-lahat dahil nangyari ang gabi na ito po hindi po dahil sa inyo.
Alam na natin, bilang pagsali dito sa Agila, ay makatulong sa ating kapwa.
Patunayan natin na ang ating club ay GMA Masayahin Eagles Club.
Service to humanity is a noble act that helps us to create a better world. Let us all make a conscious effort to serve our fellow human beings and work towards creating a better world.
Applicants, you shall now become bona fide Eagle members or so-called Kuya and Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligations of being an Eagle.
Brotherhood characterizes strong cohesiveness among the club members. Every Eagles shall sacrifice and do battle to achieve their goals. Unity within is the driving force that propels the Eagles to be ever enduring, ever pursuing, and ever achieving. The Philippine Eagles embraces faith in the divine providence. We recognize Him as the primary source of power from whom human strength and wisdom emanates.
Members must have primordially developed a deep sense of strong brotherhood and sisterhood among every Eagle. We should develop because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve. Service through strong brotherhood.
Chartered officers and members of the GMA Masayahin Bayanihan Eagles Club, I hereby declare your club formally affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles.
Not to be perfect, nakakuya and ate, but be resilient and have the ability to bounce back even from the most difficult times.
We did not join this organization for prestige and honor. We joined this club because we believe in this club. May magagawa tayo, mga kuya, mga ate, hindi lamang sa ating community, hindi lamang sa ating mga umayan, kundi maging sa ating pamilya. Naway maging mabuti tayong ehemplo sa ating mga kabayan at ipakita natin na ang pagiging isang Agila ay kakaiba sa pangkaraniwang mamamayan.
Be the GMA, where G stands for generous, M for matulungin, and A for active member.
Let us take to our principles, service to true strong brotherhood, and of course,